Hello, welcome to Fireboys Woodworking. In this video, I made this clamp rack. The reason I made it was these clamps were everywhere. Under the bench, on the floor, causing me to fall, which is never fun. So I decided to make this as part of my workshop storage series. If you remember the tool wall which I had done on a previous video, I'll put a link in the description below. Everything on here is scrap wood I've used. As you can see, this I've mounted to the wall, which I don't show on the video, but it's pretty simple. Couple of screws, couple of plugs, you know the drill. And then I've used scrap wood for the bits and pieces. The reason I use scrap wood is because I'm still learning how to do this. So I didn't want to buy good wood and then spoil it. So this way, I get to learn. You get to amuse yourself with my silliness and my mistakes. And I get to perfect and fine-tune, dial in my tools. So it is a learning process. That's the whole point of this, and that's why I use scrap wood. So let's go! Now that you've seen me do it, give it a try yourself. It's not hard, and I'm sure you got some sort of scrap wood lying around. As you can see, I have left space for it to grow when I get more clamps, and then I'll probably do another video when and if I get more clamps, depending on how well these videos do. So if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification below, and you'll get updates on when I upload a new video. I do try and upload as much as I can, as quickly as I can, but again, I have a day job, so that does come first, because bills need to be paid. But if you keep liking and subscribing and liking what I show you, I can take this up as a full-time job. Thanks for watching.